Okay, today I'm going to explain subtractions of a mixed fraction with another mixed fraction. So we have here 3 2/4 minus 1 4/4. So the first thing we do is to check the denominators. We have 4 here, we have 4 here. So that's okay. Then we don't have to change the denominators or make them the same because they're already the same. The second thing we're going to do is to subtract 2 minus 4. Is that possible? No. We cannot say 2 minus 4. We cannot say we have 2 take away 4. Because it's not possible, then we have to borrow from 3. So 2/4 we have to borrow from this 3. Okay? It's the same as when we were saying, let's say 14 minus 5. Remember how we were doing this? We would say, okay, 4 minus 5 is not possible, then you have to borrow from here. This will be 0, this will be 14, then we can minus it. So that's the same idea, but in a fraction form. So we have to open up 3 and say what 3 means. 3 means 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 4/4. That's what it means. It means 3 wholes. 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 1 whole. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then we have to give one of them to 2/4. So let's add. Let's add 4/4 plus 2/4. How do we add? 4/4 plus 2/4 equals 4, 5, 6. The denominators obviously are the same. Will be 6/4. So we have 6/4. So the combination of these two will be 6/4. What about these two? 1, this is 1 whole, this is 1 whole. 1 plus 1, 2. So let's review again. We have 2/4 minus 1 4/4. We cannot minus 2 by 4. That's why we have to borrow from 3. Then we have to understand what 3 means. 3 wholes means 3 times 4/4. 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 4/4. Then we have to give one of these to 2/4. Let's see, 4, 5, 6. That will be 6/4. And then you have to write these remainders in here, which is 1 whole plus another whole, 2. Make sure when you open the 3, how do we know it's 4/4? Because the denominator is 4. Then the wholes must be 4/4. So the denominator never changes. Okay? So you have to make sure that you don't make a mistake about that. Then we have 2 6/4 minus, we bring this down, 1 4/4. Let's check. Denominators are the same. So we put equal 4. Correct? So 6 minus 4. Now we can do it, right? 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So we have 1, 2/4. Now, the last step is to see if you can simplify this even more. Yes, I can divide this by 2. I can divide this by 2. So that will be 1/2. Done. Okay, I'm going to do another example. If you need to look at it more, just pause the video and just look how I did it again. But I'm going to write another example for you. Let's do another example. We have 18, 1/9 minus 15, 6/9. Okay? We're going to subtract this. First thing we do, we are checking the denominators. 9 and 9, they are the same, so you don't have to worry about it. That's the first thing we do. Second thing, we have 18, 1/9 minus 15, 6/9. We're going to subtract. We have to subtract 1 by 6. Can we say 1 minus 6? No, we can't. We have only 1. We want to take away 6. It's not possible. So what do? We have to borrow from 18. What does 18 mean? 18 means we have how many 9/9? 9/9 plus 9/9 plus 9. Do I have to write it? You don't have to. We want just to take one 9/9. So we gave one 9/9 to 1/9. So we say 9/9 plus 1/9 equals 10/9. 10/9. So this plus this gives me 10/9. So we took one whole from 18. So you minus 18 by 1, right? Gives me 17. Okay, why 17? Because I gave one of them, I gave one 9/9 to 1/9. So I opened the 18, I gave 1 to 1/9, it becomes 17, 10/9. Okay, now we do minus, subtract, $15, 6/9. Okay, so now let's see. Again, the denominators should, if you have at this point, if your denominators are different, then that means you made a mistake, because that has to convert and be the same in the beginning. So if the denominators are not the same, you made a mistake. So you have to check your work from the beginning. So 17 minus 15. 2. 10 minus 6. So you do 10 minus 6. 4. The denominators stay the same. Correct? 6, 10 minus 6, 4. 17 minus 15, 2. So we have 2, 4/9. Can we simplify this even further? Can we divide this by 2? Yes. Can we divide this by 2? No. Can we divide this by 9? Yes. Can we divide this by 9? No. So not possible. If it's not possible to simplify even more, then that will be our final answer. Okay? This is a mixed fraction. Okay, I'm going to do another question, but pause the video if you want to check how I did here. We have 4, 1/6 minus 1, 2/3. Okay, so we have 4, 1/6 minus 1, 2/3. First thing we do, we're going to check the denominators. We have 6 here, we have 3 here, so they're not the same. We have to make them the same. So we times, so I'm thinking, okay, so this is 6, this is 3. I know 3 times 2 gives me 6. So let's do that. That will be easy. Times 2 times 2. I'm going to rewrite the whole fraction. 4, 1/6 minus 1, 4/6. Done. Now we have the same denominator. So now we can do 1 minus 4. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. So I have to take 1 from the number beside it. 4 means how many times 6/6? 4 times. I need only one of them. 6/6 plus 1/6 gives me 7/6. And the 4 has become 3. 3, 7/6 minus 1, 4/6. Okay, so now can we subtract 7 by 4? Yes, it's possible now. That will be 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, can we simplify this even more? Yes, we can divide this by 3. We can divide this by 3. Then that will be, don't forget to write this 2 again. Don't forget this. We have to write the 2. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. The final answer will be 2, 1/2. That's it. So I'm going to review one more time. The first thing we checked the denominators. They are not the same. So I make the denominators the same by multiplying the bottom and top by 2 because I knew 3 times 2 gives me 6. So 6 and 6 checked. Then I'm going to subtract 1 minus 4. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. So I'm going to borrow. I have to borrow 1 from 4. Borrowing 1 from 4